Hi everyone, Luke from Hotwire here in our frequently asked questions series on the Hotwire range of heated towel rails. You might have noticed on your box, if you've already purchased your product, or on the marketing material, there's a product code called IP rating. And we're often asked what the IP rating means. Well, the IP rating is regarding liquid ingress. It's how well the product can handle getting wet. And if it's in a bathroom, obviously it's going to get wet. So the IP rating is something that's tested in a laboratory to see how close you can put the heated towel rail to a water source like a sink or a shower. So there's a document below which will show you exactly how far apart you can put your towel rail from a shower or a bath or a sink. So you can see that diagrammatically and see exactly what the standards say about where you can place your towel rail. It is really important that you pay attention to this. Obviously, towel rails run on electricity and we need to get that right so that no harm is caused to anybody. So make sure you check it out. Make sure whoever's installing your towel rail pays really close attention to the IP rating and where your towel rail can go. All the information and links you need to make that choice and make that decision are below. We know you'll love your Hotwire heated towel rail and we can't wait to help you get Hotwired.